I'm sorry. I didn't see you there.
Welcome to our humble abode.
Welcome to another evening of Getting Drunk with Claudia and Mike.
I'm Mike. He's Claudia.
And, what have we been doing?
I was making YouTube videos for my channel, which is Beautiful Disaster 150. If you have wives or if you're a chick who's interested in makeup and makeup subscriptions like Ipsy, Birchbox, My Glam, that kind of stuff. Check it out. And I like my 42.
Been a long week. I've been kind of sick. Probably shouldn't be drinking right now, but what happened to me?
He had a cough for a while, and we kept telling him that he needed to go get it checked, and it was like nothing. But that, we think obviously he had something, and so it led to an ear infection. So he has been suffering for 4 days before I got him to go to the doctor with a severe middle ear infection. And so yesterday I finally dragged him to the doctor, and they gave him some antibiotics. And so now, he's trying to kill the bug with a little malt liquor.
Malt liquor always works. So, that's what I'm going to do right now.
Look, guys.
Trying out this flip camera.
It's a photo of our wedding. We're so cute. I'm sorry.
Door. I picked up Claudia this little flip minnow HD for
We're trying that out. I forgot.
like $28 or whatever online.
Okay, here's the sad thing. I had a what was it called?
Sony Webby.
Sony Webby.
And
it was orange and it was perfect and I love it. And I'm still gonna find it because wherever it is, it's there somewhere. But I had been using it and it was off limits to him because I was making videos for myself, but also making like a wedding vlog. So every time I went and got my dress fitted, when I actually got my dress, the whole thing, like doing things for the wedding and then leading up to the wedding and then
That was for you, Rugby.
And then day of the wedding, like I'm, holding the camera and I'm like crying, telling him how much I love him. So I have all these videos on there that I'm, gonna make a video for him and for my channel. Well, everything went well, but there was, obviously, we're having fun and, this and that, and people come to the room and blah, 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 and this and that, and then all of a sudden, it ends late and we wake up and we have to check out and everything's everywhere, and don't ask me why one whole layer of my wedding cake is sitting on the coffee table of our suite, but it was, and so we had so much to take care of. And so many bags and so much crap. And the bellboy was helping, and it's like, I don't know exactly where it went, and it makes me really freaking upset.
Sorry, baby.
But anyway, I don't know where it is, so he got me a whatever this is.
A flip minnow. Dude, this was like $200 new. I got it for $30, $28 plus shipping. It shoots decent video. I got one for $15, but it didn't work. Wah, wah, wah. So I ordered another one. So this little girl wants to dye her hair turquoise.
I do. But I feel like I ruined the video because you were like, we're drinking beer and not talking about the wedding. So now I feel bad.
We're talking about both, but another one for rugby.
I can't burp right now for rugby, but I can drink a drink for rugby.
I love this girl. So she's been putting up with me for the past week.
Wait. Yes.
Whoa. Ugh. I've had a gag reflex all day today.
That's because you're sick.
I should have vomited on the camera for rugby.
That's my camera. Wait till yours comes in. Here you go.
Oh, focusing on the beer. Drink that shit. So, we're going to continue having some more malt liquor, and maybe we'll have a second video.